Hi, this is Satiris Basakaropoulos, and this is part 93 of my 101 Blogging Tips video series. And what I want to say to you in this video series is, if you haven't watched all the videos and you haven't done the things that I've been telling you to do, to go back over any videos in this blogging series that you've missed and listen to them and actually implement them. For the last few days, even for the last week, for a few days, I was feeling sick because of some thyroid problems, and then literally for the last 3 days, I've been out running around the countryside. I was at an event on Sunday, Mindbodyspirit event, and I was there all day pretty much. I was recording some videos of the event for people, some of their talks and stuff. So I was there all day, didn't come back to sort of late at night. And the day before that I was out, and then yesterday I was basically took my children to school. Then I was sitting my wee one, and then picked up my boys from school, and then I went out. Had to drive and go and pick up my car, which was getting a new door and getting resprayed. So I went there. Then I took a friend somewhere to go and collect his car. That he'd been somewhere quite far away, and I took him to go and collect his car. So by the time I come back and actually sat down at the computer, it was pretty late last night. And I didn't do any real marketing at all. The only marketing I did was I posted a couple of videos about some things videos I saw that annoyed me about things. It wasn't anything to do with marketing or making money online. I didn't even have any automation set up. Normally I have a lot of automation set up, a lot of automated videos, a lot of automated posts and stuff that I've just put out, to go with, my Twitter account or my Facebook account or my groups or stuff. I didn't even set that up this week because I've been so busy. So really I wasn't marketing at all. I woke up first thing in the morning and I basically made a $700 sale. I've no idea who the person is. I've no idea who they are. Don't know where they're from. I don't know anything about them, but I know that I got, paid. Somebody bought something for like, it was $695. So, this is why I'm telling you, if you implement the stuff that I actually tell you, you can get paid, commissions on autopilot. I sat down there yesterday, first thing when I got up in the morning before I took the kids to school, about 7:30 or something. I sat on my computer and I opened one of my old blogs, and I was reading through all the blog posts with all the residual commissions that I've had. I don't normally write about it as much recently. I don't talk about it as much recently, but I think looking through that stuff, it's really inspiring. When you see the amount of money that you can make when you're actually doing nothing. Making money. I was walking down, going for a walk on the beach, making $3,000 commissions on a webinar, learning stuff. Making $6,000 when I was celebrating an anniversary, and had spent about £300 or £400, and I thought, oh, I've spent a lot of money today, and come back to like $6,000 over $6,000 commissions. So these things are absolutely brilliant, but you need to actually set them up. So in order to set them up, like I said, you need to follow the steps, right? So if you haven't gone through all the different blogging tips yet, go through them. Go through them from number one right through. Now, the first video or two videos I talk about, setting up your business, your host and stuff like that. If you've already done that and gone through those stages, or I've took you through those stages, you don't need to do that. Probably you don't need to, come into the videos until number 3 or something. But if you haven't, go through the videos and listen to all the stuff, because it's taken me years to learn this stuff. I've paid over $100,000, probably about 150 for courses, for trainings, for mentors, who are millionaires. I've had multiple mentors who are millionaires teaching me how to do stuff online. So you're getting this completely for free. It's not costing you anything. So it's a complete no-brainer, When you actually sign up for the 101 Blogging Tips, you also get a load of bonuses for free, okay, which will help you. If you haven't already set up your business, or you're thinking about setting up your business, this will actually help you to set up your business, right? These 12 free bonuses that I'm giving you. So, make sure you do it. Make sure you go buildingabetterblog.com/101 blogging tips, and you get access there. If you don't and you sort of think you're going to go through my blog and get them all, you won't, because there's some hidden videos. I have a few videos that are really, really, I don't want everybody to know. I don't mind, if someone has, came and registered from 101 Blogging Tips, I'm happy to give you them, but I don't want everybody in the internet to know all the stuff. So, especially those couple of videos. So there's hidden videos there, and if you're not registered to 101 Blogging Tips, you actually won't get a couple of those videos. So make sure you've registered. You also won't get the 12 free bonuses. So that's it really for me. Like I said, go through the 101 Blogging Tips and set up all the automations that I tell you, so that you can make automated money while you sleep. Okay, so you can wake up in the morning, have made $695 sale and wonder where it's come from, not know who it is. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's even better when you do know who it is, and quite often a lot of my funnels I'm set up so I do know where it is, but because they bought an affiliate product, I haven't set up a capture page for it, so I actually don't know who they are. So that's it for me for this morning. If you are somebody who did buy something and got this email or watched this video, hit me up on Facebook, because I've actually made a group of people who've bought that particular thing and that particular software, where I give you trainings and stuff on how to set it up, and I help you to set it up. So if you're that person, feel free to message me and let me know. So that's it from me for today's blogging tip. I will talk to you again in the next video. Take it easy, and thank you very much.